Hey guys, what's going on? Driving with Stu here, and have I got a treat for you today. The 2022 Jeep Rubicon 392 Wrangler. And it is the most badass Wrangler we've ever come out with right from the factory. You've literally got a Grand Cherokee SRT that you can go 4x4ing with. Oh. Now with the 392 Hemi, right out of the box, you're gonna get 470 horsepower. Well, they've beefed up the powertrain, the axles, the drivetrain, the transfer case. They've beefed everything up on this unit to support all that power so you can have a lot of fun and go fast in 4x4. See, we got that massive scoop on the top, not just for looks, but it's actually an active air intake, and it's got Hydro Guide. So this is actually set up so that if you're off-roading, you're playing in the mud, playing in the water, and you get some water coming up over the hood, it's actually going to prevent that water from going into your air intake. All right, so next up we have the exhaust. Unbelievable sound when you fire this bad boy up. It's just got an absolute bark to it. Let's take a listen. All right guys, so check this out. We've got the quad exhaust right from the factory, true quad exhaust. Let's hear it. Oh yeah, that sounds amazing. Oh my God, that sounds incredible on the Jeep Wrangler 392. When you're driving this, people are gonna hear this and they're gonna go, that's not your average Jeep Wrangler. And it absolutely pairs up amazingly with everything else that's on. Not only do you get all the power, but you get an incredible suspension system to support it and to actually go rock crawling still. So you can take this and do all the Rubicon things you would have done with that non-392 in the V6 or the diesel, and you can get it done and you have all of that power and torque ready to go to literally climb mountains, climb walls essentially. So it's all set up here. Okay, so this has got the Falcon Wild Peak mud terrains. It also has a set of beadlock wheels. These are true beadlocks. So when you're out on the trail, you need that extra traction. You can actually air down these tires for maximum ground coverage and then air them back up. And these are true beadlock rims. Jeep has really been good at putting those little Easter eggs in so that you know exactly what this vehicle is. Exact same scenario on our Jeep Trackhawk with the yellow brake calipers. It looks exactly like an SRT, but you know it's a Trackhawk because it's got those yellow brake calipers. Jeep has done the exact same thing with this Rubicon, and you'll see we've got bronze finishes on the 392 badge, the Rubicon badge, the tow hooks, and even on, come in here real quick, even on that Fox suspension, there's a little bronze touch there as well. So when you see this coming down the highway, you know it's a 392. All right guys, so one last bonus I wanted to show you on this 392, this one specifically, is the Power Sky roof. Check it out. It's got the canvas top, heavy duty canvas top, and it's all power, so you don't have to worry about taking the roof off, storing the roof, anything like that. It's all right here for you at the push of a button. I'm absolutely blown away with the job that Jeep has done with this vehicle. It's unlike anything we've ever had. I mean, we've come out with the all-new JL halfway through 2018. Then they came out with more engine options, including the Eco Diesel, the turbo 4-cylinder, and then the 4xe. And now we've got our 392 engine. This thing takes the cake. The looks, the feel, the sound of the exhaust, absolutely incredible on this new 392. All right guys, thank you so much for checking out the 2022 Jeep Rubicon 392. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we've got much more content of sweet units like this coming your way.